Hello guys, coming straight away to the point, right? So here we are seeing the three questions out here, right? What is the volume and shape of a gas? What is the pressure exerted by it, by the gas, right? अच्छा जी वहां पे है ही नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Gas on its surroundings, right? And what are macroscopic and the microscopic properties of the gases, right? तो पहली बात आती है कि what is the volume and shape of the gas, right? So it's a very high school question, man. It's very easy. It's very simple. See, if you have got a container which is in the form of a sphere, right? And if you have got a container which is in the form of a cylinder, right? See, whatever I'm explaining is a very basic a high school thing, right? In this we have got the volume, the gas filled inside it, right? Let it be of red color. The gas, red color अभी तक नहीं आया. Let it be a red color. The red color gas is there inside this spherical container, and here also the red color gas is there in the cylindrical container. Okay, fine. Suppose if it has got the volume V1 and if it has got the volume V2, then we ask that how much gas is there inside it. And suppose एक सवाल तो उसमें जो है रह गया कि मान लीजिए आपने इसके अंदर किसी कंटेनर से जो कि V वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस है इसके अंदर है V वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस, और आपने ये गैस उठा के इसके अंदर डाल दिया. मींस anyhow you have pumped the gas inside it, right? And you have pumped the same amount, the same volume of the gas inside a container of the volume V inside the cylindrical container of the volume V2. आप लोग समझे क्या? आई थिंक मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी में हो गया, राइट ना? एक बार और करते हैं, जरा अच्छे से करते हैं, ठीक है? तो क्या था, you have got a container cuboidal, right? cuboidal है ये, ठीक है ना? इसके अंदर इसका वॉल्यूम है V, बरोबर. इसका है वॉल्यूम V और इसके अंदर है गैस, ठीक है? इसके अंदर गैस. अब हमारा गैस हो गया ब्लू कलर का, हो गया, बहुत सही यार, ठीक है, राइट? हमारे पास दो कंटेनर हैं. वी हैव गॉट द टू कंटेनर्स. एक है आपका स्फेरिकल शेप और एक है आपका सिलिंड्रिकल शेप. ओके ओके. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फेरिकल शेप कंटेनर इज द V1 and the volume of the cylindrical shape container is the V2. Now, if I'm going to pump or put this volume V gas inside this spherical container and the same volume of the gas inside this cylindrical container, तो हमारा सवाल ये है कि इसके अंदर कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस है. Okay, the mind which is knave, the mind which is novice, a very basic thing which we should understand is that we have studied in high school नहीं, high school तो बहुत हो गया आपका late class 6 में ही, that the volume of the gas is the volume of the container in which it is contained. Yes, mark my words. The volume of the gas is the volume of the container in which gas is contained. जिसके अंदर गैस है उसी का वॉल्यूम गैस का वॉल्यूम होगा. इट मींस व्हाट दैट यू कैन सी माय रूम आउट हियर, राइट. अगर मैं किसी सिलेंडर में, जो सिलेंडर में उसमें वॉल्यूम है आपका 22.4 या समझो V है, ठीक है, उस गैस को मैं इस रूम में छोड़ दूं तो आई वुड से दैट नाउ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस रूम. This is a very basic fact of the kinetic theory of the gases. Okay, fine. So if anyone will ask you that what is the volume and the shape of the gas, so it will be the volume and the shape of the container in which it is contained. Perfect. चलिए ठीक है, अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट पे. नेक्स्ट सवाल क्या है भाई, मैं भूल गया. What is the pressure exerted by the gas? Oh, gas on its surrounding. Okay, I'm sorry for that spelling. Okay, what is the pressure exerted by the gas on its surrounding? Surrounding अभी छोड़ो, अभी तुम एक काम करो ना, let us take a container. Okay, क्यूबॉर्डर वाला थोड़ा सा चलो यही ले लेते हैं यार, क्या दिक्कत, क्या बना दिए तो बन गया, ठीक है ना, राइट. ये है हमारा क्यूबॉर्डर कंटेनर, ठीक है, इसके अंदर है गैस भरी हुई, ठीक है. लेट द गैस बी ऑफ द रेड कलर. ओके, the gas are having the molecules which are in the regular motion. Yes, my words. The gas are having the molecules which are in the regular motion, right? It means it means what, that they will be having some momentum. They will be having some momentum, and with that momentum, they go and strike on the walls of the container. With that momentum, they go and strike on the walls of the container, right? Okay. So means momentum, मोमेंटम क्या होता है यार, फोर्स और उसका क्या होता था, पी होता था ना, इज इक्वल टू एफ इंटू टी होता था ना, है ओके। तो मतलब पी अपॉन टी, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम पर यूनिट टाइम विल बी इक्वल टू द फोर्स, न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। या वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, न्यूटन सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन से आता है ये चीज, ठीक है। तो मींस व्हाट, दैट दे विल बी हैविंग सम मोमेंटम, right? And momentum per unit time, that they will be exerting the force on the walls. Yes, they will be having, see, molecules of the gas are having motion. When they are having motion, they will be having momentum, and the momentum per unit time will be the force. If they are having the force, if they are exerting the force on the walls, means that the force acting per unit area will be known as the pressure. Yes, the force acting per unit area means this force acting per unit area will give you the pressure. So here you define the pressure of the gas on the wall of the surrounding is that, right? Means the bombardment of the molecules of the gas in motion on the walls of the container per unit area is the pressure. Perfect. Okay? Okay, fine. Now, what is the next one? Dun, dun, dun. Next आ गया भाई. What are the macroscopic and microscopic properties of the gas? This is very theoretical. This is just for your knowledge. It can't be asked in the examination, but yet you should know about it, right? If we talk about the macroscopic, is what? You see the things on a large scale. You visualize the things on a large scale. On a large scale, the gas will be having its pressure. Yes. You can measure the pressure of a gas on a large scale. You can measure the temperature of the gas on a large scale. And hence the volume also. Right? Right? But it is very difficult for us to measure the molecular motion. The molecular motion. ये कहाँ होता है मेजरमेंट पे? Molecular velocity. Okay? अब velocity की बात अगर हो ही गई है तो why don't we talk about the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy. Right? So all these things are there which are being described by the microscopic properties of the gases. It is alright.